Yes, welcome to another video, amazing story right now on my channel, on my podcast, on my page, Kudzimadzero podcast. Right. This is my background, this is my preamble in this video right now. I was in Bulawayo, Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. This city, this great town, Bulawayo in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, in January and February 2025, this year, this particular year. So I was in this other company, business company that I joined, that I was working in. So this was the nature of my job. I was working with the civil servants at every school, every primary school, every secondary school, or every high school, every hospital, every clinic, every police station. So I would talk, negotiate, I would secure deals with the clients, these civil servants at every government ran and managed institution or organization like schools, hospitals, clinics. So this is what I was doing in this company. So one of the days when I was there in Bulawayo, uh, me and my team members or group members would move around with a car, doing our business, doing our transactions, or doing our dealings as what we were doing in this company. So I came to know a lot of schools. Remember, it was my first time to be in Bulawayo. It was my first trip or first time to be in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, under Matebeleni Province, Matebeleni Region. It was my first time. So I never knew anything. I didn't know anything from Matebeleni or from Bulawayo. Everything that I was seeing, everything that I was checking or observing was for the very first time for me to see or observe it or to have an idea about it. So I came to know about these other schools. So one of the days we went to this school by the name Ngulumane High School. And another day we went to this school by the name Popoma High School. And another day we went to this school by the name Zilikazi High School. Ngulumane High School, Zilikazi High School, and Popoma High School. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. I hope and I pray that I'm pronouncing the names in the right way. Popoma, Zilikazi, Ngulumane. So I began to see a lot of things, usually by nature or my personal nature or my personal character, my personality. I'm a guy, I'm a person who like to see things, observe things, understand things, know things, especially in a new environment, brand new surroundings. I like to see, I like to observe, I like to understand, I like to go deeper, I like to research, I like to know, ask a lot of things. So I was busy checking, busy looking, I was busy examining, I was busy analyzing a lot of things at Ngulumana High School, at Mzilikazi High School, at Mpopoma High School. Mm, I have to admit, I have to be very honest with you. I was so happy. I was so excited. I was feeling good, or I felt good, looking at Ngulumana High School and everything, looking at Mzilikazi High School and everything, looking at Mpopoma High School and everything in between. I was happy. I, I'm like, okay, so these are the schools in Matebelend, or these are the schools in Bulawayo. Okay, wow, that is good. That is fine, very good. I was happy. I was happy. I'm looking at the quality of the buildings. I'm looking at the quality even of the teachers, the dressing, the teachers, the approach, their presentation, how they talk, the language. I'm looking at the students, the dressing, the approach, the behavior, the manners. I'm like, okay, wow, this is very good, especially at Ngulumana High School and Mpopoma High School. When I was looking at the students or the learners, their behavior, their attitude, their approach, how they look at visitors or guests that they've seen for the first time at their school, how they talk, how they approach, how they behave around them, how they uh, mix and mingle in the midst of seeing visitors. I was so happy. I was so excited when I was looking at all these things, all these dynamics that were right in front of me unfolding themselves. And another day, like I said, at Mpopoma High School, I'm looking at the quality of the buildings. I'm looking at the books or the textbooks. I'm looking at even at the teachers, how they behave around visitors, how they behave around guests that they've seen for the first time at their school. I was happy, I was excited. I'm looking even at the headmaster or deputy headmaster, how they receive visitors, how they talk to visitors, their approach when they see visitors, how they deal with the visitors. And in this case, us, we were the visitors because we'd gone there with the business. We're talking a business, doing business. So we were the actual visitors or actual guests at their school, Mpopoma High School. So what they're doing around us or before us, I was busy noticing, I was busy observing, I was busy looking, checking, uh, recording, writing everything down in my mind. I'm like, okay. And remember again, uh, us as the people doing business to these clients, the civil servants at these schools, we were Shona people. We were Shona people in our car. Yes, Shona people coming from a Shona place or Mashonaland region, Mashonaland province, and going to Bulawayo under Matebeni province. And the teachers, basically most of them, they were Ndebele teachers. So in terms of everything, like the attitudes, language, uh, how to receive one another, how to talk to one another, how to mingle and mix with one another, how to manage one another in terms of social, even business, everything. I was noticing, I was checking, I was looking. You see, because growing up, I had a lot of stories. I had a lot of issues. Even when I was in South Africa, when I saw Ndebele people, Ndebele students in my class, in my lecture room, I'd hear a lot of things from this Ndebele classmates of mine, even Ndebele churchmates when I was in South Africa. So when I was there now in Bulawayo, I want to prove what I had, if it was correct, if it was okay, or if it was right, what I had. So I was proving a lot of things. I was judging a lot of things, seeing, believing, even trusting to see whatever was happening was correct, it was right. So yeah, of course, some of things I'll not share right now, or maybe rather let me say I've already shared in some of my videos. When it comes to language, when they hear you talking Shona and they're Ndebeles, they give you another eye, they give you another attitude, they give you another facial reaction, facial expression. When they hear you speaking Shona and they know that they're Ndebeles, they speak in Ndebele. So that drama sometimes it's not good, or that incident sometimes is not proper, it's not fine. Yeah, so this is one of the things that I didn't like when I was talking in Shona, or maybe when my group members were speaking Shona. These Nebele teachers, they would give you another eye, another reaction, facial expression. Of course, I knew what it meant because I'd heard a lot of stories along that line in that direction. That this is what they do. This is how they behave. You understand? Right. So I was happy. Basically speaking, I was happy with all the experiences, all the business that I did, all the transactions, all the communication that I did and in Popoma High School, Ngulumana High School, and Mzlegazi High School. So just to share with you that you know what? In my life, yes, in my life, I went to Mzilikazi, I went to Mpopoma, or I saw Mzilikazi, I saw Mpopoma High School. I was there in body and in spirit. I was there in the flesh, in my body, physically speaking. I was there at Mpopoma High School, at Nkulumana High School, and Mzilikazi High School in January and February 2025. Good schools, good students, good teachers, good headmaster, good deputy headmaster, good everything. Even the toilets good. Yeah, very nice, very acceptable. Nice for human living, nice for students, nice for learners. Yeah, I was so happy. I was very excited. And it was my first time for me to see schools, high schools, under Ndebele people, under Matebeni province or in Bulawayo. First time, since it was my first trip to Bulawayo, first trip to Matebeni region. I was happy, I was excited. You heard me talk, you heard me speak. What came to your mind? What popped up in your brain, in your mind concerning this video? Anything whatsoever. Write, type in the comment section, comment box. I'll come and check them out. Peace out. Sharp.